Hello, I'm going to show you the elastic bind off that I use for the Sun Flare Shawl and also for the Summer Rain Shawl. These two shawls use different edges. So for the Sun Flare Shawl, the first stitch that you make will be a knit 3 together. And for the Summer Rain Shawl, the first stitch that you make will just be a knit 1 into the first edge stitch. But either way, you'll start with 1 stitch on your right needle. To bind off 1, knit 1, slip the 2 stitches from your right needle purlwise to the left needle, and knit those 2 stitches together through the back loops. And that is 1 stitch bound off. Again, to bind off 1, knit 1, slip 2 stitches purlwise to the left needle. I like to leave my right needle in place here since it's now in the perfect position to knit these 2 together through the back loops. Now I have 2 stitches bound off. Let's bind off 1 more. Now I'm going to show you the picot. To create the picot, I'm going to use a knitted cast on. So I'm going to knit into the next stitch on my left needle, but leave that stitch on the left needle. Instead, we're going to slip the stitch that we just knitted from the right needle to the left needle through the front loop. So I'm going to insert the tip of my left needle from right to left into the front loop of the stitch on the right needle and slip it to the left needle and leave that stitch a little loose. And then continue casting on until you have enough stitches. So now I've cast on 2 stitches. Let's do 1 more. The Summer Rain Shawl only uses 2 and the Sun Flare Shawl uses 3. Although obviously you can customize your picots any way you like. So now I have 3 cast on stitches, and here's my original stitch. And now I continue binding off. So knit 1. Be careful to only slip 1 stitch off that left needle. Slip 2 back to the left needle and knit them together through the back loops. Here's my original stitch. It's elongated. We're going to bind off that one as well. And that creates the picot. And then just continue binding off according to the instructions.